So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan, and in this video we will be covering the introduction part of the object-oriented programming. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first question arises that what is the meaning of object-oriented programming? So in simple terms, we can say that solving any problem by creating an object is known as object-oriented programming. So how to create an object, what is class, how to create an object of a class, let's see. So first we will see what is the meaning of a class. So class is a logical construct, or we can say it as a blueprint to create an object. It's not a physical reality, but an object is an instantiation of a class, or we can say it is a physical reality. So when we create a class, it does not allocate the memory. But when we create an object, it allocates the memory at runtime. So now let's see how we can code this. So I had opened my IntelliJ IDE, then I'll make a new package and I'll name it as introduction. So and in this package I'll make a new Java class and I'll name it as main, and then I'll make the main method first. And then I'll make a new class. I'll say class and I'll name this class as student. So in this class I'll make an integer int roll number, float, marks, and string. Name. So I had declared this value roll number, marks, and name. I had not initialized the values, I had just declared it. So now if I try to create an object of this student class, so how will I create? So syntax is like this: student one equals to new student. So this is the syntax to create an object. This student defines that from which class the object is being created. This student one is our reference variable. This new keyword allocates the memory of an object at runtime, and this part is known as the default constructor. What is constructor we will cover later on. So just remember, this is the default constructor. So now if I try to print like this, student one dot roll number, sorry I had to shout student one dot roll number, student one dot marks, and student one dot name. So if I try to print this, what it will give me? So it is giving me 0, 0.0 and null. So reason behind this is that I had not initialized the value of roll number, marks, and name. So the default value of integer is 0, the default value of float is 0.0, and the default value of string is null. So now if I try to initialize the value like this, student one dot roll number equals to let's say 19, student one dot marks is equals to 75.5 f because it's a float, and student one dot name is equals to Nabil, and now if I try to print this, it will print this 1975.5 and this name. So it's giving me 19, 75.5, and Nabil. So yeah,